Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite counselor and Ruth. Okay, and we're going to be looking at Crush the Goal, the part 2 of it. Okay, because I know that goals are very, very important, and I know how you really love to crush that goal. And so we have looked at the things that hinders us from crushing our goals, right? So if you've not watched that, you can pause now, go watch that part 1, and then come back here, right? Now today we're going to be looking at another ways to achieve our goals. We looked at things that hinders us, right? So today we're going to be looking at ways to achieve your goals, because I want you to crush that goal. Now number 1 would be to set smart goals. Yes, I've mentioned it before, right? We're going to be setting smart goals. So one, your goal has to be specific, it has to be measurable, achievable, and relevant. And of course, it has to be a time bound to it, right? Now, a smart goal, like I said in the other one, provides clarity and direction. An example of a smart goal would be, instead of saying, I want to save money, what's that? Right, so you want to say, I will save 500,000 by the end of 2025 by setting aside 50,000 each month. Does that make sense? Again, if you check it, there are 12 months, right? So if you actually follow through by saving 50,000 per month, by the end of the year, you actually have 600,000, right? Now, because when we are specific, and then when you had measurability to it, and of course it's easier to track progress, right? While achievability and relevance ensure that you're working on meaningful goals within your capacity, right? The specific why, because you want to save money, right? So you already know the amount of the money, 500,000. Good. Now you're doing that by saving 50,000 each month. So by the end of the year, what do you want to get? 500,000, right? Now, so you see that you can see it's specific, you can see that it's measurable, you can see that it's achievable. Yes, especially when you look at the salary, okay? And of course, you're looking at relevant, and then I'm looking at how relevant it is, and then of course, it's time by the end of December 2025. Okay, number 2 ways to achieve our goals would be to write them down. Many of us have our, our goals in or on our head, in our head. You just think, oh, it's there, it's in space, like, I know what I want to achieve on. Okay, so when you write your goals, it makes it tangible. Write the vision, make it clear, right? Make it tangible and increases your commitment. Now, once you see your goals, maybe it's written in a book or in form of a vision board, that's on the street, in telephone and that thing, right? It serves as a constant reminder. So anytime you get to see it, you are going to remember that goal, right? Now, for instance, if you've written that I'll complete my certification course in 6 months' time, now then you place it somewhere where you could always see. Maybe on phones, you can use it as a wallpaper. Yes, your desk in the office or in your room. Now, studies have shown that written goals are more likely to be achieved because they create a sense of accountability. How many things can you really remember? So please write your goals down. Number 3 would be that you break it down. Large goals can feel overwhelming, and I agree, right? But breaking it into smaller, manageable tasks makes them less daunting. For instance, you have passion to write a book, for instance, right? The time you say you write a book, by the end of first quarter or by the end of the year, it's fine. But if you tell yourself that, okay, so I'm going to commit to writing 2 or 3 pages every day, I'm going to commit to writing 1 chapter per week. Now you see that because you've broken it down, the smaller tasks, as it were, would help you build that momentum. And then once you see that, okay, so I've written 1 chapter in this week, you can actually progress 30 seconds, right? So smaller tasks help you build momentum and then create a sense of accomplishment motivating you to keep going. Right? Yes, so one chapter a week, one page per day, but then just keep moving, right? Number 4 would be to prioritize. And trust me, if you would achieve something meaningful in 2025, not all tasks are equally important. Hey, you don't kid me. Identify the ones that are most significant to you, that will have more impact on your life. For example, if you want to keep fit, you want to prioritize your meal, you want to be consistent in workout, right? Over buying something that, of course, might not really work. Okay, so focus on high impact activities so that you don't waste time on less critical tasks. You want to focus. This is very important. This is urgent, right? So, of all your goals, you want to write them again in order of priority. Number 5, create a plan. No one says a goal without a plan. It's also a mere wish. Yeah. So I want to do this, I want to do that. No plan. Actions speak louder than words, right? You've had that before, right? Yeah, so you want to write a clear plan. Outline what to do, when to do it, who is responsible for what, right? So you might want to use the calendar, you want to write it out. So I want to attend meetings weekly, whatever it is, but create a plan. Not enough to dream, to have a goal. There must be a plan. So brother, sister, uncle, auntie, what is your game plan? Okay, so number 6 would be stay organized. Organization, keeping organized, staying organized, prevents chaos, and allows you time to focus. The digital hubs, simple notepad, whatever it is, please be organized. Trying to live a scattered life is not going to help you. You want to have a checklist, for your daily tasks, the things you need to do daily. Don't forget that your habits at a daily dosage of the things you do, right? Good. So once you also stay organized, it reduces stress, yes, and then ensures nothing important slips through the cracks. Number 7, you want to build positive habits. Again, it's day 12, right? And then happy new year, happy new year. Hey, all that is ever died. Did you hear that? Okay, but so if you would crush your goal, then you must build positive habits. Success often comes from the small, consistent actions you take daily. So, if, for instance, you want to improve your knowledge, you want to build a habit of reading at least 10, 15, 20 minutes every day. Habits would announce you. Habit automates progress by turning productive actions into part of your routine. You become what you build, you become what you do regularly. Number 8, you need to seek accountability. Accountability partners, groups ensure that you stay committed to your goal. So you want to share your weight loss journey, your book reading journey with a friend, you want to join a community, and whatever your goal is, now that you've identified it and you prioritize it, please stay accountable. Look for accountability, right? And it will help you, because when you know someone is watching you or you have a report to give, somehow it will press you to want to read or achieve that goal. Number 9 will be to monitor progress. You want to regularly evaluate how far you've gone, areas of improvement, what is to change, what is going well, why is this not going well. You must monitor progress, right? Now, if you talk, let's go back to our first example of you saving money. So at the end of this month, January, you want to check how much have I put in there. By February, by March. So this month I was able to raise 50,000. This month I was not able. What happened? So you know why something works. Know why it doesn't work. So it helps you monitor progress. Number 10 would be to visualize success. I like this. I like this. You know how you spend time just meditating and saying you achieving your goal. It brings so much reward. For instance, you want to save 500,000 at the end of the month, and then you're already thinking of the year, and then you're already thinking of what you're going to buy with that 500,000. For example, maybe you're projecting for a laptop or for you to take a course. You taking that course in your head, visualizing success helps you build confidence, helps keeps you motivated. Like, I'm going to do this, right? Because you're already seeing the glory ahead, right? So visualize your success and just always meditate on it to help you. Okay, reward yourself with number 11. For every small goal they achieve, please celebrate it. Celebrate your milestone. For instance, if you want to save 500,000 by the end of the year, and for every month that you're able to save 50,000, you want to celebrate yourself. Hey, tell yourself that, hey, I've done this. Celebrate it, right? And not say you use the money to buy ice cream. Celebrate yourself. Write a note, dance to it, say it to a friend. Just celebrate it, right? Because once you're able to reward yourself, it provides positive reinforcement. Hey, if I've done it before, then of course I can do it again. It makes it very easy for you to stay committed to the part. The 12 ways you can achieve your goals is to stay flexible. Some of us are very rigid. I want to achieve this, and I want to do it through this. What if it doesn't work? You can always change the strategy, not the goal, right? So life is unpredictable, and sometimes plans need to change. So I allow for flexibility to adapt to your strategies, strategize, but do not give up. Yes, do not give up. Stay flexible. Okay, so for instance, you're trying to save 50,000 in a month, and you could not, maybe because some unforeseen circumstances happen, life happens, right? And because of that, you could save 40,000. But most people will be like, do you need the 40,000? Or like, this will not work. But hey, you can take it, since I want to be saving 50,000 every month, but it didn't work out. So since in January I did 40, then it means in February I'll try to do 60. Hello, have you seen that? And in a month, you could actually have excess money, or you have less things to do with money that month, and so you could have spillover. So let's say 70, 80,000. Don't say it's 50,000 and you eat the rest. Stay flexible. Again, if you know how to budget, it will help you. Learn how to budget your money so that you don't also crash around, right? Now, number 13, ways to achieve your goals for 2025 would be that you manage your time wisely. I talked about poor time management in the first video, so if you did not watch it, you want to go catch replay. If you manage your time wisely, then of course you can be able to allocate your energy to tasks that matter most, right? Yes, so go catch that there. Then number 14 will be invest in learning. I love knowledge. If you come to me, I learn. There is no here I do not have certifications to myself. I must do a course in counseling every year. I must look for something to do. So invest in learning. What you know, so if you're dropping in this today, what I know, you can't move it from me, right? So invest in learning. Sometimes achieving a new goal will stretch you. When you acquire new skills or knowledge, it helps you achieve the goals faster. So invest in knowledge, invest in learning. At times you might not from be school certifications. You can learn from friends, junior ones. You can learn from your siblings. You can learn from your friends. That they're older, of course, doesn't come with age. Just have that attitude of I want to learn something new. Right. So learning equips us with tools and strategies to overcome challenges. And of course, by the time we overcome challenges, we can succeed. 15 and the last 40 day. Maybe that we should stay persistent. Oh no, we do not give up. We finish what we start. Right. So success really happens overnight. No, it doesn't. So persistency, perseverance is key. Life will not always go smooth. Our journey will not always go smooth. But hey, when we are persistent, then we can overcome the challenges, no matter how big it is. Okay, trying to lose weight, At times, you know how you, for 1 week, 1 month, you find and then, oh, I don't do it again. Instead, reassess your diet, change out the workout plan, and then keep going. Your money, for instance, you're saving money, and then you're not able to achieve that money goal for that. Hey, do not give up. And you lose if you give up, right? So, be persistent, stay consistent, right? It helps you build resilience, it helps you push through challenges until you achieve your goals, right? Thank you for watching this episode, right? And I think if you can follow both episode 1 and this till that, trust me, you should be able to achieve your goals. And then if you need help, if you need counseling, you're confused, you don't even know where to start from, and the Ruth is here. Until I come your way again next week, take care of you. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, please subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you again. This is to go crushing 2025. Bye.